Is Skyreels the most powerful free AI video tool of 2025? Let's break it down. Features, pros, cons, and who should use it. Skyreels is a brand new open source AI video model. You can use it free on your own setup or on their web platform. No advanced skills required. It is trained on over 10 million clips, focusing on realistic human movements, facial expressions, and natural acting. So your AI videos don't look stiff or robotic. Skyreels supports three major modes: text to video, image to video, and AI drama. A full episodic story generator with characters, camera moves, and scenes. It is optimized for high-end GPUs like the RTX 4090, but if you don't have that, no worries. The Skyreels platform lets you render in the cloud using credits. You also get a built-in image generator and editor, perfect for creators who want everything in one place. Pros: super realistic videos, powerful free model, and next-level storytelling. Cons: text-to-video can glitch, objects don't always stay consistent, and voices still sound robotic. If you're into AI filmmaking, story content, or want to experiment with video generation, Skyreels is absolutely worth trying. Just be ready for a few quirks as the tech matures. Would you use Skyreels for your YouTube content? Comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more real AI tool reviews. No hype, just facts.